The last video introduced us to the AND logical operator, which allowed us to create conditions in our if statements with many different requirements. Now we're going to be taking a look at the OR logical operator. This one's somewhat similar in that it serves the same purpose as allowing you to have more detailed conditions for your if statements. However, it will be different, being you don't have to have every single thing true like we saw with the AND statement. You only need to have at least one true. So we're going to take a look at how we can do this. So let's start out by writing, say, x is greater than 2. I already have my variables created on top. And the OR logical operator, is represented by these two bars over here. And you get these two bars by pressing shift and the backslash button twice to get the two bars, the one that's above your enter key on the keyboard, at least for my keyboard. So you're going to press that, and that's going to be your OR logical operator. So we can go ahead and write another one. I can go ahead and write y is greater than 3,000, and I can do it again. You can add as many as you want, and I can say z is greater than 20,000. So with all this here, we only know that one of these are true, right? We know that the x is greater than 2. It's true because x is equal to 5. Y is not greater than 3,000, and z is not greater than 20,000. Now, if these were AND logical operators, you get a false reading, but now we have OR, and we only need one to be true, which means because x is greater than 2, we should be getting a true reading over here. We can go ahead and verify this. We go ahead and run this, and we see the if statement's condition is true. Pretty awesome. We just need one of them to be true. It doesn't matter how many of them are true. I can go ahead and actually say that y is greater than 1. We'll see that won't change anything because we have two things that are true. However, if I were to go ahead and make them all false, the OR statement is not that generous. It's nice to allow us to have a little bit of a chance, but now we see that it's going to give the false reading, and it's going to display the else message because none of them are true. You need at least one true. So these last two videos looked at logical operators. If you have any questions regarding these logical operators, which allowed us to make our conditions a little more detailed, leave them in the comments below and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying the series.